All right, a construction crew is lengthening a road that originally measured 50 miles. The crew is adding 1 mile to the road each day. So it originally measured 50 miles. Crew is adding 1 mile to the road each day. The length L in miles after D days of construction is given by the following equation. Oh, so they actually did it for us. What is the length of the road after 31 days? Remember, D represents days. So if we want to find where it is after 31 days, we just replace or plug in 31 for D. So now we'll rewrite this equation as L equals 50 plus 31. And then we carry out this addition. 50 plus 31 is 81. So it is simply 81 miles. Let's do the next one. So an amusement park charges an admission fee of $20 per person. Again, they're putting this in nicely first. The cost in dollars of admission for a group of P people is given by the following. So it's literally like if P equals 1, it's going to be 20 bucks. If P is 2, it's going to be 40 bucks, etc. What is the cost of admission for a group of 4 people? Remember, P represents the number of people going. So we're just going to replace that P value with 4. I put parentheses in to show that this is a multiplication. That's not 20 and then P is like the 3rd digit. That's 20 times P. So 20 times 4, which is $80. Last one, a plant is already 25 centimeters tall and it will grow 1 centimeter every month. The plant's height H in centimeters after M months is given by the following. H equals 25 plus M. What is the plant's height after 21 months? Again, M represents months, so we're plugging in 21 for M. H equals 25 plus 21. 25 plus 21 is 46 centimeters.